Encountered a DTT-AGR file with an unusual extension? This is an aggregate data file from specialized software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these aggregate data files. If you frequently deal with unusual DTT-AGR, file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. DTT-AGR. Files are aggregate data files used by specialized applications for storing summary or compiled data sets. They contain processed data records, statistical summaries, or aggregated information used in data analysis reporting, or business intelligence applications with the unusual extension reflecting specific application conventions for data file types. DTT-AGR. Files use formats specific to their originating applications, storing aggregated data in binary or text structures. Internal content typically includes summary statistics, grouped data records, or compiled information following the source application's data architecture for efficient storage and retrieval of pre-processed analysis results. For DTT-AGR, the correct first move is opening it with source application. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your DTT-AGR. File and click Open With. Test with source application if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If you still can't open the DTT-AGR file, it's okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, identifying source application. Examine the folder containing the DTT-AGR file for application executables or documentation indicating the source software. The compound extension suggests specialized software using DTT as a base extension, with AGR modifier indicating aggregate data. Source identification through context is essential for proper file handling and content access. Next, opening in source software. Install the identified source application and use its file import or open features to load the DTT-AGR file. The application processes its native data format, displaying aggregated content through its analysis or reporting interface. This provides full feature access to summary data within the intended application environment. Finally, inspecting contents. Open DTT-AGR files in text editors like Notepad++ to check for readable data. Use HXD hex editor for binary inspection, examining file headers for identifying signatures. Aggregate data files may contain readable summary information, enabling partial content recovery, even without the source application available for proper interpretation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.